Right. And we're live.
Here we are, the first game of the new season.
MANvFAT Merthyr. Season 1, game week 1. Starting with the pre-season cup winners, the Blues against the Reds.
Blues against Reds. Let's see where we go in this
one. There, straight into the camera like.
Yeah, well, what's up, mate?
Dave just wants to
get out of the way.
His minute of fame, doesn't he?
Oh, Reds are already started. Oh, no.
That's not going to challenge Chris.
Chris to Chris.
Oh, on to Josh. Lovely defence there by Tony.
Well played.
Swiss.
See what he can do with this.
Oh, that's not the Swiss
Tony. That's Lambie. Come on now. Read on back.
Great clearance.
Well defended.
Great clearance. We are not ball boys.
We can't get this.
Sorry, lads.
Come on now.
We are not ball boys.
We are commentators. So Red's on the attack now.
I'm a commentator, Alex. I'm commentating, yeah, I've got my fun.
Alex, can we keep the volume down? Yeah,
if you could stop distracting the pundits.
Go fuck yourself.
We are here with Coach Alex. How are you, Coach Alex?
I'm great, thank you very much.
Excited for the league?
I am. We're up over 42 boys now.
Banging.
So, nice. How did the weigh-in go?
Yeah, really, really well. Do you know what? I was actually quite pleased. We had we had 10% today. We also had a 5%.
Any on the blacks?
No, unfortunately not. We did have a 5 and a 10% today, though.
Not good for the cup winners. What can we say?
And let's be honest, you know, like coming off a 2-week break.
2-week break as well.
3 weeks. I'm pretty sure that we're down overall as a club, and we've got 5 new faces tonight as well.
Stunning.
2 weeks off. It's everyone's going to be a little bit up, I think, apart from me. Amazingly 4K down. What can we say?
Brilliant.
Fasting. That's all about fasting, mate. Anyway, we've got to get back to the game. Get back to the game. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, sir. Blue with the attack. He's had a shot.
Almost opened his account for the season there.
Great save.
I think the first goal that happens is going to be beautiful because it'll be the first official league goal at MANvFAT.
I think it's going to be the other way around. It's going to be a terrible goal.
Yeah, no, of course. It's going to be a stumbled in. It's going to slip through the keeper's hands.
Oh, you can see
a lovely touch on the line there. Oh, great defence.
There you go. Chris to Chris.
Oh, lovely header there by Ben Purser to put it out.
Good name drop. we know some of them. We will know the.
We will get there.
We will know the rest. Each week you'll find that.
By the end of the league season, we might be there.
Yeah, we'll know everyone. Off by heart. Oh, there's a call over on the right.
On the right hand here. Josh with the ball.
Cruncher. He's done well. It could be in the.
Oh, he's just made a mockery of the red team there.
Not sure about these areas. They look a bit big to me.
I mean,
what do you think?
The vision of the ref is questionable at any good time anyway. You will see me in the next game challenging that.
We saw this ref before.
Look, there's an invader on the pitch. Security, please.
Come on, hey! Luckily he's my team, so I know he can control the ball well. Blue one on the attack.
Little play there by the it's gone out for a goal kick.
Unlucky.
Chris Evans to take the goal throw.
It's quite an even game so far.
It is a very even game. The Blues seem to be struggling with the step up to 7, but the Reds seem to have been fitting in there nicely.
Have they got
a cheeky look there from Ben to suggest I'm talking bollocks?
The sun's a particular problem for the Blues at the moment, I think.
Yeah, anybody watching on great defence by Michael. Brilliant.
He tried to get a second one in, but it was great.
Ben Purser for the first goal. Deflection off of Michael there. He actually crossed into the box there, but the referee didn't call up for a penalty. Very questionable there. Very, very questionable there. The ref does need to improve his vision here. That was a dodgy call there from the ref. Can we get an action replay on that while it's gone out for the free kick there?
Something about
as you can see on the replay here, that definitely was in the box.
Okay,
that's a brilliant ball over the top. Owen's having a nosebleed.
A little touch would have been beautiful there.
Captain Tony for the clearance into Ben Purser. Takes it past 1, takes it past 2. Michael for the clearance.
Oh, lovely. Great tackle.
Great there, Michael.
Well done.
Think it's your ball, Ben? Blues ball.
Does anybody want it? Yeah, that's the question. And it's
a weird flex time wasting 7 minutes into the game, but we'll take it.
Straight over there.
Straight over the greatest
throw in there.
This is a great example of the level of football here at MANvFAT for anyone hoping to sign up. We are by far, and we're nowhere near professional.
We're close to it. We're close to it.
I'd say semi-pro.
Semi-pro at least.
We'd fit well in the Welsh fourth tier. great.
Oh, hello. In the middle there, on the air.
Oh, great.
On the wing.
On the wing.
See what he can do with it.
Oh,
little cheeky.
And he's in the box again.
Audacious little chip.
This is outrageous from the referee, I'm going to be honest.
So are the Reds the fit fat?
Oh,
what are they, fit fat chunkies?
The fit fat chunkies versus.
Oh,
what a great save there!
Great save
by Chris Evans in the sticks.
Steaming left shot there.
Yeah, as I was saying, it's the fit fat chunkies in red against Real Madras. No, it's not
Real
Real
Madras.
Madras.
Real Madras.
Fuck it up.
Yeah, easy.
Against
you'll know all about Real Madras in the next
Dynamo
game.
Chicken Kiev. Dynamo Chicken Kiev is their name.
As you can see from our names, we're trying to utilise the hunger.
But also a little bit of support for Ukraine in there.
Oh yeah,
which is nice to see. Good on you, boys.
Talking about, did you watch the Wales game the other day, Sunday?
I'm English, so I did.
Oh, hang on!
Yeah.
Oh!
I'm an export from the English.
Not good.
Oh, lovely shot. Great hands there by the
commentators
keeper.
From the other side.
Oh, Blue's back on the ball there. Oh, tried to go around Pickle. He's taken out instead.
Just too much.
Shepherd for a pass there. Straight down the line from Swiss Tony. Ben's cleared that beautifully. Nice. Give us a wave, Ben. Give us a wave.
Nice. Oh,
lovely little ball there.
1-2. Can he do
oh, he's trying to fuck it. The sniper's out. The sniper is officially out.
Hang on. No, just over.
If only the goals were a bit bigger there, eh?
Ooh. That was a good effort by the Blues there.
Great effort. Great team play there. Josh is taking it off there to the side.
Still 0-0. What are we looking at the times?
I think
10 minutes in?
We're a good 10 minutes in. I'm surprised the ref hasn't played up for a...
Half-time switch ends.
After 7 minutes. Isn't it a 7-minute turnaround?
Wonder if the ref's going to allow any subs in this game.
Don't know what's... Isn't it rolling subs though?
I believe every 7 minutes we are meant to swap.
7 minutes, they have 30-second breather.
Yeah, it's been 8 minutes, Alex.
Hello.
Oh, that was unlucky for the Blues there. That was their
both
first.
Stretching, that could be both groins. Hang on a second.
Do you know what?
Blue again there.
Oh, my word! Unbelievable.
Off the fucking...
And the ref has finally noticed someone in the box.
Poster keeper, what? That was incredible. And here's the break it is.
Great vision there, ref. If only you hadn't missed the first four.
Great work. It's been a great half. What's this, a quarter? It's been a great quarter.
You're blocking it with your head.
So 7-7, so it's quarters.
So 7 minutes. Well, it's 7 minutes with 30-second breather. We are all fat here, so we need
doing
that 30
it like
seconds.
an American football quarters thing, yeah?
Alex has just intervened to make the box a bit wider here.
Wider?
It seems.
Doing a lot of swearing here, is that allowed?
I can bleep it.
Yeah?
I can bleep the swearing.
I'll try and keep it down.
Yeah, I have slipped a few words in there already myself, so...
I tend to do it without realising, so sorry about that.
Likewise, yeah. Apologies to the fans watching on YouTube.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of beeping in that first quarter.
Stan will be spewing when he watches it, but...
I should have wore the old sunnies for this
yeah,
first
no,
one.
That
was a mistake in my part.
On that GoPro.
Here we go then. Let's start off. Oh, it's been turning around, right? No, you can't play around with it there. Oh, they're lucky. They are lucky. Sticking for space. Oh, again. Oh, trying to back heel. A cheeky back heel. Didn't quite play off. 1-2. Nice. Can he reach it? No, unfortunately that is out for a blue throw.
Well, we may have actually lost the first 9 minutes of the left-hand side of the pitch here.
No. Well,
if we have, I hope you've enjoyed watching on the right-hand side.
To be honest, it's been mainly on the red side.
You have missed some belting shots, I'll be honest.
What happened there then?
The GoPro seemed to stop recording for some reason.
Oh, Lord.
I don't know if it's the sun in its face or what, but I'm hoping we haven't missed too
there.
much.
Turn and shoot.
Unlucky
it's
there.
It's a good try.
It's a very good try.
Another good try.
I'll be honest, I'm really surprised this is still 0-0, 7 minutes in.
Definitely.
It's
a
two great teams
very
here.
even game,
both
though.
out for the pre-season cup. Blues did come off the victors, unfortunately.
Some great chances. Let's see where we go from here. Hang on.
Oh!
Gifted. That was put on a plate.
If he wanted the goal any wider, it would have to sign up to MANvFAT. What a shot!
Oh Lord, so wide. Probably the widest thing on Man versus Fat.
Shep.
Nice. Oh, that is beautiful. Let's see what we'll do with it.
Tony looking for the shot here.
Oh, unlucky Swiss Tony. It's good not looking at the fucking sun.
Looking for a big hand here.
Hang on a second, no red, I've got it. Little cross in. No, nobody in there. There was one person. What game you watching, mate?
I was just checking how many players we've got on the Blacks. I've got a little sweat on by here. Right, Owen's going to kick this in now.
There we go.
Oh, and the snipers took another man down.
Do you?
Oh, great defence. Got up just in time for his shot.
Right in the tip.
Josh on the ball here. He's taking it round one.
You can't let this man have time.
Lovely off the Shep there. Oh, great defence by Tony. Lammy on the ball.
Call for the pop.
Big pop.
I don't
Big
know what kind of pop they were calling for. Coke or lemonade. Come on, let's see what we can do with this. Oh, it's a nice little ball. Can he finish it? Oh, it's wide again. Oh, Lord.
And he's just widened the goal on the other side as well.
How many chances?
Will he find the back of their net tonight?
Oh, God. He's having a lot of time there.
He had a lot of time to think. I'll be honest, back in my first season of MANvFAT, I had the same problem. I panicked too much all the time on the ball.
That's it.
But once you find
just
your
turn and
composure...
shoot. I've done it several times. You turn and shoot, you don't think about it.
You're hearing this bird, man, he turns and shoots, right? We've got to keep an eye on
him. Oh,
it.
shit. I forgot we're playing you guys.
Oh, great.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, safe hands, Chris again.
Nice.
Oh, shit, the fucking microphone's come out.
Oh, God.
This is a nightmare.
Technical difficulties.
The mics are back on, are they? Yeah, they're back on.
We're back.
Jesus.
Oh, my God.
Lucky this
can only
Sky
get better.
Sports, I'd be sacked.
Dody's
dropped his wallet.
Hang on a second. Lambie through to...
Josh.
Josh
back to Lammy.
Lammy.
Great defence by the newbie.
He's taking it. No, hang on. Oh, no, he's managed to get it through.
Oh, lovely.
Right there.
Can you see Owen? Owen's looking for it.
Time.
Oh, lucky.
Somebody call time, please.
Owens ran off fuming. He'd have crossed.
Oh, my God.
Owen was looking for the square there. Could he have opened his account?
He had time to do up his shoelaces there. But yet again, Blue have had more chances, I believe.
Yeah, Blue have been dominating the attack. Just been unfortunate with their accuracy. Great defence there by
Can't
Shep.
play around with that back there.
There's a corner here now. That. Can we see what happens from the corner?
First corner of the game.
Goalkeeper Chris Evans calling out the commands here.
It's only two in. They need to send. Oh no, it's only. How many people playing?
7 aside.
Are you sure?
Swiss Tony is intercepted into
Dode.
Dode.
Right.
Oh, great defence there.
If he tackles him,
Dody's put a stop to that attack.
Good effort. Oh, there's been a switch.
Switch here.
Nice head.
He's looking for his other set of glasses to see if he can find a target when he comes back on.
He's going to have a quiet word with himself. He knows what he's done. And there, lovely 1-2. Can he do it?
He's running. He's down the wing. All he's got to do is shoot.
Georgie Weah.
Safe hands. Chris gets it again.
That was a Georgie Weah type of run, that one. Hang on. That's him done for that
Chris
one.
has been absolutely amazing in sticks today, hasn't he?
You can't get it past him. Safe hands. Safer stands in Man versus Fat a bit.
Well, not when he's playing the Blacks, I'll be honest. I've put a few past him.
Oh, here we go.
But as the unofficial Golden Boot winner of the pre-season cup.
Oh, no. He's talking. We'll see. We'll see where this goes.
We'll see where it goes. But
another corner. Looking forward to this match next, though.
I'm very excited for the feature game of the week.
And obviously, the worst thing is you're going to have worse commentators the next game.
That's the
You've got the best commentators watching this game.
That is the thing.
And you've got the best
players. Oh, what a touch. Unlucky. That's probably
unlucky.
The closest shot we've had today.
Definitely. Best commentators and best players, probably, I would say.
Well,
that's what I've heard.
A mix
That's what's
of
on
the
the...
We'll see how the Blacks play now. Oh, what a shot!
Oh, fucking
If only it was on target.
Is it a force field around Red's
Question is,
keeper?
would Chris Evans have saved that if it was on target? I think so. I think so.
Only if he didn't forget his toothbrush.
Swiss
Throw it
Tony
out
on the
there.
ball. Great there to Shep.
Well played.
Half time here.
Good
At
half.
Penderyn Park.
Good
for the
half.
first
Great
game.
half.
Well played, boys.
Well played, guys. Fuck, we've just got 7. We got
Well,
that
it's
extra.
an interesting game.
Extra, those extra legs might do.
And the Reds have come back onto the pitch.
Come on there, boys. Let's have another half like we just had. Couple
Who?
of goals might.
I know we're in Merthyr, it may be the national smell, but I think someone's got a joint on the go.
Really? I think that is one of my players. Not going to mention who, because don't
The
want to
cameras are rolling, yeah. Here he is, the next half commentator. Give us a wave, Owen.
Nice wave. Like
Owen was actually
That was a
voted
queenish
nonce of
wave
the
there.
pre-season, which was a great little award there. And we're back in the second half here. Kick-off for the Reds.
straight to the blue. Oh,
nice
here
to
we
see
go.
a bit of action. This
Here's a
is-
shot.
Oh.
He's tested him. Went straight through his hands. That was
Surprised he
lucky.
didn't lock that in. You know, he's...
Oh, that was
Oh,
lovely.
it's-
Oh,
and
unlucky.
it's out
Couldn't control it.
for the kick in.
It was a good try.
So it's the line out now.
Let's see what he can do with this. Oh, he's
Lovely
chipped
ball
it
from
in. It's
Kerry there.
beautiful.
Oh,
Hang
to the
on.
side.
Hang
What
on.
can we do from here? Oh, the Blues on the attack. Oh, and he's kept it in.
This is Brazilian.
Beautiful.
Brazilian
Can he
shoot.
score? Oh, safe hands,
Wow.
Chris Evans. Ben Purcell's coming in
Another.
for the rebound.
Another save.
Can the Reds clear it? Can they? Questionably out there.
Nice.
And that one's definitely out. Good call from the
Well
ref.
done, ref. He's watching the same game. Good to see.
And Lammy's tried to put it around Kerry there, but he was having none of it.
Oh, another through ball.
oh.
Can he turn it?
Can he turn?
Yes, he can.
Can he shoot?
He's got past him.
Oh, he is settled for hot
crossing.
dog.
No.
He's come back
Oh,
with a mustard.
way too hard. That would have taken his
That would have
block
been
off.
beautiful. A little 1-0 there.
Again, looks like Blues in
A
charge.
rarity here, a draw game at MANvFAT. There's normally a big goal scored, but I guess they're saving it for the Blacks.
Oh my God. Oh,
We know who's being shown first on Match of the Day.
Yeah, it'll be the Whites. Thank you. Right, see what the Reds can do with it now.
A little tap
They
off
got to
there
get
to
it out.
Josh.
They got to get it out.
They need to get it out of the back
Pretty
here.
much all blue.
If
this
there
half.
was a heat map, the Reds' defence would be on fire. I'd be cooking a fried egg off of the Reds' defence right now because they've got a lot of heat on them right now.
Shock as the egg.
But a credit to their defence, they have not let a goal in yet.
And they have not. I think that's a credit to the keeper.
Oh,
more than
definitely a
most.
credit to the keeper, but I'm trying to be political here. Trying to keep everyone feeling good.
Let's
But
get it out then.
it would be great to see a first game of the season go down to the scales, though.
Could just be that
Oh,
one goal.
They're shooting from anywhere now, shooting on
Coming
sight.
into the third quarter. Did you speak to Dan?
Oh no, I messaged him. I'm going to give him a call later.
Just commentating at the
Oh,
moment.
nice play.
Tony and Sticks, I've played with Tony in a previous Cardiff league, and he is a great goalkeeper. So
Yeah.
the Reds are going to have a challenge. That's out.
Good call, ref.
Let's see the Reds get a bit of attacking play in here now.
Yes, finally. Someone throw it. No, and Blue. Lions got it past the 7.
Oh!
First shot in a while.
The thing is, they're not getting many shots. They can't be wasting these opportunities.
Van Dijk, mate.
You've got to test this. Keeper,
cannot
the
be
keeper hasn't been
wasted.
tested this
It
day.
has not been tested.
I shag you.
Oh, hello.
And as we've got a proclamation of love there from Alex, the coach.
He does it quite often, I've heard. There's a lot of love coming out from Alex.
All the love. I've got so much to give.
Nice searching ball.
Get structure with this football,
See what he-
Reds. Stop.
Oh, and
Oh,
he's put him
he's
down.
gone down.
That's the third sniper shot of the night.
Oh, mate.
Seems like the only guy on target tonight is the sniper.
Nice. See, little chip over.
Oh, lovely little
he's
break
still
from the
got
Blues
it.
here. What
Nicely
can the
played.
Reds do to defend this?
Needs to be defended better down in the Reds. Every time.
Lovely header. Oh, unlucky there. The Blues are all over the Reds here like mayo on chips.
That's more of a defensive header, I think, that one.
You were gone.
Not a big fan of Mayo, mate.
No, I'll be honest, I'm not a big sauce fan in general, but if I had to go for any, it'd be mayo or barbecue. I'm anti-tomato sauce.
The other one. Barbecue's not my kettle either.
You're a tomato ketchup man, are you?
Yeah, normally.
Well, you know, no one's perfect.
You'll see in the next game who is. Huh? Right.
I guess the big question all the fans want to know is how do you take your eggs?
Over easy.
Oh, well. I'm a scrambled man myself.
Yeah? Mine's right. You got to watch it over in America. Yeah. If you say over easy, they'll literally give it to you like snot. It's not good. I just had some boiled eggs up there, actually.
Yeah, lovely.
So there might be a lot of wind coming out in the next match. Need it. I need it for that sprint.
And
a bit of a push in the back there, but the ref
Didn't see it. Ref didn't see it.
Funny enough, Alex, the ref doesn't see a lot.
Yeah. Not a ref from Alex on this side, yeah.
Is it Paul's son, is it?
Let's see what
Josh there with the ball. Oh, unlucky there. And the Blues are going to break away here on the counter. He's took it past one.
Great,
Ben Purser.
Oh, great touch. Can he finish it? No! Unbelievable.
He has let everyone down there.
This is unbelievable, Jeff.
He's going to be replaying that in his dreams tonight.
Oh,
come on, ref.
You having that? That's a shoulder,
Stevie Wonder saw that
one. Maradona would have been proud.
Carry's ball.
It is a sad day for sport when the commentators are shouting the ref.
Oh, it is! Finally!
The Blues have got a goal. 1-0 to the Blues.
It's about time.
It's only taken them 20 minutes to break the deadlock.
So prime keeper.
Turn off the oven, he's done.
And they've took him straight off after that goal.
Yes.
Great tactical
He needs
move.
a bit of a breather.
Come for a quick interview with the commentators.
Come on, Reds, get back in this game.
How does it feel to score the first official goal in MANvFAT League?
Not great because I missed 12 first.
That is true.
Well,
that is true.
we didn't want to
it
point it
doesn't
out.
matter about that, though. Lampard
Great effort.
always scores a
Keep going for it
cracker.
and you got it.
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
Exactly, that's the one. So enjoy the game.
That's a ridiculous sentence. Let's see what Reds do.
Very close game here, despite what we're seeing, the Blues being all over the Reds. Amazingly, they've defended. Oh, well, it's questionable what happened there. If I saw it from here, I'm still wondering how the ref
I don't know whether that was
there.
rugby or football, but they nearly caught it.
Pressure going now, Chris. You need that Wildy from somewhere now, buddy.
Oh, that's more of a that's a long
great
underthrow.
He's on. Oh, he's let it go out.
So are you allowed to underarm throw it up in the air then? Clearly.
Yeah. The great thing about MANvFAT, I want to point out, is that he'll make that run in 3 weeks' time. And he'll stop that from going out. And you will watch back these games and you'll hear that commentary and you'll see I know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Great, Ben. Off the wing. Oh, Josh just took it around him. Owen to clear. Back to Tony. Tony safe hands.
To remind people at home that it's not in slow motion. We are, in fact.
Oh, unlucky there. Ben Purser on the run. Oh, Pickles took it off him. Oh, one-on-one with the keeper. What's he going to do?
Oh,
great there from Chris Evans. Pickles tried to clear, but Ben Purser's pulled it straight back. Safe hands, Chris Evans.
Nice turn and crack. Oh,
he's gone for a shot. Oh my God! How has he not put that in? That brings back reminiscence of a Josh Fry pre-season cup goal. That does.
That was true. Yeboah. Was it Yeboah scored a cracker like that?
Reds,
last 7 now.
Get back in this game.
The Reds got a big push to get back now.
See what they can do. They were lucky there. That should be a 2-0.
We thought Chris Evans was the best keeper in this game. It seems the crossbar's playing a blinder.
A lot of help there from the woodwork. We've got to see a lot of tired faces, but it's been a hell of a game. Hell of a game.
It has been a great game.
It's not really a joke. Carry on.
Game like that, you expect a lot more goals, which is crazy. Here we go then. Last 7. See what they can do.
It's back for Tony. The last 7's really where you see who's got the legs and who hasn't. But
Time.
Oh, he's put it through.
We need to man mark this man at the back.
Yeah. Do you know what?
He's having every one of them. May not
Michael's feet.
get everyone on target, but
Swiss Tony with great ties, takes it out there. Kerry's getting straight back into
Again, you've got to get behind him.
Ben Purser's taking it straight back out and giving it to the Reds.
I think the Reds are trying to play like the offside rule here, and they don't realise that it doesn't. It's not in this game.
If you watch in the next game, the offside rule does not exist.
It does not exist. It's good to know. So you're going to be paying a lot of up there. You're right at the top.
I'm a deep line forward.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
Movement. Let's look for the ball.
Oh, lovely ball there. Pickle. Oh, tries to head it, but it's just gone straight out on the other side.
Too much of a curl took it out. The sun has come back out with his fucking hat on. And it's not helping.
Lovely. Ben Purser, who's he going to look for? Straight into the middle for a goal scorer there. Out on the wing
right
to Kerry.
there on the wing.
Kerry's just got to put it in now.
Oh,
off the post.
Wow.
Unlucky for Kerry there. Almost made it 2-0 for the Blues.
Unlucky, can't make it after.
There's a lot of touching wood in this game.
There is a lot of touching wood.
Oh,
great. Kerry's pulled it back, gives it to Owen. Owen's good.
Right in the middle there. Can he finish it?
Can he finish it? Lovely hit. Oh, unlucky for Ben Purser.
Come on, Reds, let's get up in the back. You're sitting too deep.
Who's the big lad?
Shep, super sub. Ready?
Big lad.
Josh.
Super sub, pick one.
Josh is good. He hasn't had that pop. He normally has several pops on goal. He hasn't been given space to test him out, which is incredible. Playing it again right at the end. You got to get it out. Oh, audacious little chip.
Why has Mike got pickle on the back?
How's the technical difficulty?
The camera's gone again. I don't know what's going on. I'll have to send it for a service.
Good lord. The cameraman. Oh, it's a nice
Josh
turn.
Spun it. He's in the box.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, you've dropped your mic there, Max.
Mike's been dropped. As long as it's
excitement for the goal.
As long as it's not the soap in the
drop, mate.
As long as it's not the soap in there. The showers after game, I don't mind.
Straight over. Owen's looking for a goal here, I think. There it is.
He's in. He's back.
Run it out!
I should probably start getting my shin pads on ready for the
Quality
game.
here, Reds.
Test him out. A little back and forth. Yeah? Alright then. Come on, while the sun's in, Reds, let's make that attack. See what they can do with it. Keeping one back.
It's a big loss. A few minutes here for the Reds.
Oh, wasted.
Down.
In a second.
Oh, Lammy's come round him. He's shot.
Oh, he's picking up
Keeping those race posts are there.
Even him.
Mate, have you seen this brick wall of the
Chris
bench
Evans.
he's got?
That's an that's
Purser pulls it off. Round Dodie. Oh, great save there.
I'd like to see a nice little
defense.
dink there.
Lovely bit of defense
little
there for
dink
the
would have
Reds.
been beautiful. I don't know about these side throws rather than underarm. Where's these side? Oh, I don't know. Swiss Tony's looking for it.
No, you boys just aren't professional goal scorers.
Oh, there's complaints. There's complaints on the
There's a kid on the pitch. There is a kid on the pitch.
Kid, off the pitch, son. Unless you want to play with the Reds need you. What BMI are you? You look like a morsel rather than a player.
You ready for that counter?
Right then, can the blue make it two?
From the corner.
Here's a shot. Oh.
He has somehow put that out for a throw.
Oh, Lord. Let's get the whites warming up then, boys. It's a big game.
We must be in the dying minutes of the game now, potentially even the last seconds, but the Reds are on an attack. Oh, lovely. Looking for Josh. The ref hasn't even blown up there. What is going on?
I don't know what the ref is doing. Ref. No, he's made it there, finally.
Red, you got a sub, you ready to go?
We need some kind of time. We need
teamless
and timer.
Yeah.
That's what we need for the next game. For the next time. The last couple of minutes here. Oh, no.
Great clearance. Lovely clearance.
I might call it. How many minutes left?
How long left, ref?
1. Just the 1.
Oh, it's the final minute.
60 beautiful seconds. Let's see what they can do with it.
You've got a game to win, your Reds.
Ambi.
Oh. Weird flex, the Reds time wasting when they're 1 goal down.
It's beautiful.
It's on. Can he score? Oh! No! Owen there.
He saw his name.
That is a nice little through ball there.
I saw the headlines against goal.
You got 40 seconds.
Great defence by the Blues.
Blue want to keep this 1-0, and I think they will.
Great first result for them, to be honest. They came to do what they wanted to do, and that was to win.
Another one.
Could they get a final goal? Last minute.
I
thought he'd be around the keeper.
When did we call
Great finals are there, 1-0.
It was a good game. I enjoyed that. How did you do it?
Great game.
Next time we'll work on the camera work. Camera work and the names. And the time. And a lot of things need to be worked on. So all I can say is thank you.
Thanks for joining.
Thanks for joining us. See you next game.
Batt.